Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is a massive collection of cameras, camera cases, lenses, binoculars, camcorders, you name it, you can see it. This is going to be put on ebay.co.uk, username Jakejim. Here I will show you. Manuals, filters, lenses. Most of this stuff is working excellent. Nice condition camcorders. This is probably the biggest haul you'll see in a long time. Some of these items are new. Sorry about the bird in the background. It's always the way though, isn't it? Even a Canon AV1 I think there as well. Absolutely tons. Like a viewfinder. Folding cameras. Absolutely tons. Thank you for watching. Add a like or subscribe.